Okay, welcome to the session of the future of that, which is design, architecture, and technology. आप सब अभी घर पे है. We all are at home right now, and we all know that whole situation is based on this one thing of this deadly virus which is out there. But that doesn't mean that कि सब कुछ अटक जाएगा, सब रुक जाएगा. चीजें बदल जाएंगी. Things will change, but things will be on track soon, but in a different way. And if you look at it, I think one of the biggest role that somebody has to play is that of a designer. The designer has to play a very, very strong role, be it in designing healthcare facilities, be it in designing objects that you use every day, be it in designing things like your mask, right from the mask to design of space planning, of maintaining social distancing. Social distancing is right now easy to maintain क्योंकि हम सब घर पे हैं, बहुत कम लोग बाहर है. But can you imagine what would happen when people would be out there, when people would be out in the cities, what would be happening? Across the globe, a lot of designers have been working on this. They have been trying to create ideas, generate ideas, thoughts about क्या हो सकता है, what is that new element that can come in the space and that we all can incorporate in our design space. As we talk, I will also the part of our session as we go. I'll be doing some bits of talking. There will be a quick sketch. आपको जो एक एक्टिविटी दिया जाएगा, आपको एक्टिविटी करना पड़ेगा. And following that activity, I will again be doing some more talking in a presentation. You would be given a assignment to do. By the end of these 3 sessions, you would be receiving a certificate, and the certificate would be available to those who have finished all the assignments and have submitted either Parul ma'am or at Arkin. आप जहाँ पे भी हो वहाँ से. That is the key content. That is the key thing that is required for us. कि आप जो काम कंप्लीट करके रखेंगे, आप जो सबमिट करेंगे, basis which we'll know what all you have done. Also remember, like all those who are in 11th or 12th right now, your portfolios, अगर आपका portfolio review होता है, that one question will always come time. That one question will always come time. That one question as if have been reviewing for various different colleges, be it ISDI, be it NID, be it Pearl, at various different design institutes. I have been talking about it. Myself even set correction papers. So those are the things that we also keep in mind कि अगर कुछ आता है, नया आ रहा है, how do we incorporate that into design and how do we see students looking at that? That's why I'm spending the initial time over here to tell you what is a larger scope of work for this that we have today. Today, I will be talking about space planning and looking at how furniture in spaces would change. अगर आपने देखा होगा, आप बाहर जा रहे हो कुछ चीजें लेने के लिए, देखने के लिए, you will see those circles made, right? आप लोगों ने सबने देखा मुंडी हिला के हाँ या ना बता सकते हो. Yes, so you have seen those circles around the grocery shops and all. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कोई अगर ब्लाइंड है, कोई विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, उसको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कहाँ खड़े रहना है? So your role as a designer becomes very powerful कि उनको तो मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा कहाँ पे रुकना है, कहाँ पे खड़े रहना है. तो how do you bring that element into it? आप वो कैसे लेके आते हो? And that is where the whole journey begins of understanding the ideas, the concept of social distancing. In the first part, I will show you all some diagrams. I hope you have एक आपके पास book और pen है, आपके पास एक sketchbook या तो कुछ भी notebook या pen और paper. I
Yes,
just need
they've been asked to keep some paper, pencil, and colors available with them.
Perfect. So since you have your paper pen with you, I think I will show my first. So there is this very famous design organization in the world. They have been working on creating at least informative diagrams that as space planners, as interior designers, as architects, our idea was to bring everyone together, right? अगर हम public spaces देखते हैं, अगर आप you see the park, if you see any public spaces like Aboli, can I have you on mute, please? Aboli, can I have you on mute? आपका
Supriya, is it possible to mute the other contestants from your end?
Okay, perfect. So how do they do that? You know, what was that first design that went out as designers? As designers, आपका role क्या होगा? If you are in 12th, you'll finish your studies. When you go to college, for example, right? Would the college seating be as it is, or would it change? I'm going to share my screen to show you some diagrams on that. And I'll again come back to give you your first task, your first assignment of looking at spaces around you. Wherever you may be anywhere. आप बॉम्बे में हो, आप कहीं पे भी हो, आपके आसपास अगर जो आप spaces देखोगे तो you would realize that how things are going to change. So I'm going to share something. Please keep your screens on. Can you all see this diagram? Yes, no, मुंडी हिला के खाली हाँ या ना बताना ताकि और पारुल मैम can just say yes or no if it's
Yes, we can.
You can. Okay. When you look at this diagram, you suddenly realize that there are these empty desks that are mapped out. Now imagine the whole change in the design. जहाँ पे designer को brief दिया जाता था, they tried to incorporate as many desks as you can, try to put in as many people. Suddenly, the whole change in an office space is about creating social distancing and creating desks which would be less occupied. So how changes would happen? Like this is in already existing situations. कि अगर already existing situation है तो आप उसको कैसे rectify कर सकते हो? Your second and most interesting thing is the whole idea of, for example, if you go to a canteen, right? Look at the canteen. क्या क्या होता है वहाँ पे? If you go in a canteen, suddenly the whole idea of social distancing changes. And today's focus is around space planning, looking at how spaces change. Do you know this Leonardo da Vinci's diagram, the very famous diagram of the human proportions?
Yeah, Vernion man.
Yes, exactly. Now suddenly that diagram has added, so they've added 2 meters across the body. If we were to be in a globe, in a sphere, a 2 meter diameter has been added to it because of social distancing. So suddenly that much more space is required by a human rather than a reduced space. So how that change happens, how the change happens as designer is what you would be looking at. So looking at the way windows would work, because they say one of the simplest way of cleaning a space is by providing sunlight and air. So how would the entrances of spaces change? Before you enter a space, आपको एक area दिया जाएगा, designated area to sanitize yourself, take your gloves, check your temperature, and then you move into a space. At various spaces, you would be discarding your own gloves and your own masks. So how do we incorporate to increase? So if you read over, you'll realize that to increase the amount of space available per person, the studio started looking at least half of the 100 staff to work from home. So the whole change, अगर आप classes में आते हो, if you come to the classroom,
Please mute your video.
Audios, guys, please mute your audios. Thank you. If you enter offices, right, how the space would change. Right now, my focus is not directly trying to take the design. Look at the sketching idea of it. How do you sketch out the distancing in the spaces? How do you sketch out new areas, new things that would pop up at entrances? How do you dress out for, like, suddenly your clothes would, temperature inside the spaces would change. Like, we always had been thinking about air conditioned office space, suddenly there would be a requirement of open air spaces where you have open air circulation. Because if somebody breathes that air also, people don't know, because everybody's so scared of this particular situation. So as designers, there would be a lot of things that we would have to change to bring about that element into our designs. While you maintain social distancing, it is not about that you lose visual connectivity. So rather than putting people in a box, one really interesting thing that if you must have seen, and those who are from Bombay, एक picture 2 दिन पहले viral हुआ था of, if anybody is around Matunga, you can say Ramashrey Hotel. And what they had done, that restaurant had actually put plastic, like 2 acrylic sheets on the table so that you all can sit, but no, there is that shield which acts as protection. So people are doing all sorts of stuff. But remember, when you're doing that, the idea is not to dehumanize the factor. As humans, अपना एक बहुत important element है to humanize spaces, to make that spaces human enough so that everybody feels comfortable. So how do you create that environment in a space? And again, our first step today is to have that understanding in terms of the diagram quality. Okay, we'll get into the spatial quality through the space planning method, but how do you look at the diagrams to understand that? Open spaces, bigger social spaces in corporate areas or in schools and colleges, you would have wider spaces so that people can spread out rather than putting and being so close to each other. You can spread out in a space. And these are a lot many diagrams. I'm going to put the link of this particular thing on the chat. Just look at it, go through it, and I want you to create, all of you, a diagram that you feel. One diagram, take any one space. Either you take a diagram spacing for your college canteen, or you take a diagram spacing for a bank. अब कॉलेज कैंटीन या तो बैंक में कभी एक बार तो गए होंगे. Those are places which are full of people, right? Those are spaces which have people always throughout the day. You find people in that area. So what would be your approach of understanding that in a given space, how would you want things to be planned in a way? Once we are back, it is a quick 5-minute activity. Spend time, think about it. I will ask random people because we have almost 75 participants. So if anybody is forthcoming and if you put your name on the chat that I would like to show, I'd be more than happy to ask you to show your screen. But if you want me to select and pick up, then I am going to randomly pick up. So it is a requirement for everyone to do that. Okay. I'm going to put the link on the chat. You all will receive it. So that's the link. It is 5:20. We all will be back at 5:35. A quick sketch, a quick diagram of either for your canteen or for a bank. Okay. Anyone has any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask me now. I'll be more than
There
happy
is
to
a
answer.
raised Siddhant 330710C3. Doesn't have a name.
Okay, yes, please go ahead. Tell me.
Please unmute and ask your question or say what you want to say.
330710C3. You can ask me your question, please.
Does the drawing need to be very good?
Sorry?
Does the drawing need to be okay or enough? What?
Your drawing needs to be something that at least we can understand, right?
Okay.
I'm not asking you for a Mona Lisa right now, but at least a sketch or a diagram. So your drawing has to be legible enough for everyone to understand, because you're going to show that. Remember, guys, a lot of designs, even if you do a basic Google search, you will get to know that what I'm talking is true, that any designer, any architect, the first thing that we do is we sketch out an idea. That's why आपको sketching पे इतना stress क्यों देते हैं at Arkin, because no matter what, even B.V. Doshi today at the age of 90 does his sketches. Like, he has a sketchbook in his pocket. He actually gets his shirt stitched in a way that there is a separate pocket for his sketchbook. So sketching is a very inherent part of it, very inherent part of your design approach. So I would like you all to start now. We will be back by 5:35 so that we can see everyone's work. It's a quick sketch. See how the sketches were done. I've shared the link with you.
So we do understand that some of y'all are freshers just out of 10th, and y'all have not been trained, and y'all may not be able to put on sketches which are professionals, but don't let yourself be held back by that. It's important.
Exactly.
Through sketching, it's important that you convey your ideas through a diagram, even if it is like circles and squares, and even if it's a diagram, if you can't make a sketch, how you want, it's important that you convey your concept and your ideas.
Yes.
We are not looking
Yep.
at drawings right now. We are looking at how you can think and how you can plan and how you can convey your concepts to us.
True.
So can you explain it again?
So
What we
Aboli,
have to do?
हाँ, आपको जो हमने अभी sketches दिखाए उस पे से लेके you have to take one sketch. You have to make one sketch either for a bank or for a college canteen, where how would you introduce one idea in that space for space planning. So giving you one idea, guys, like one again, if you're talking about a canteen, then you can show what would be the layout of the tables. Would you like the tables to be in one line, or they would be scattered? Your diagram will show that scattered movement of tables.
Okay.
आपको समझा?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So depending on your sketch, you think your sketch is ready and all, you tell us and we will ask. Either I would have to select, or if you are forthcoming, I would like to see 5 people sketch and then we'll proceed with this. Okay. Okay, so start.
While you all are working at it also, if you all have any doubts, please go ahead and ask us. We are right here for you.
Yes guys, we are here only. आपको अगर chat पे कुछ लिखना है या कुछ है तो आप please बताइए. For those who haven't seen it, I'm just going to share it once again over here.
Siddhant, is someone saying that they haven't seen the sketches, and
Yeah,
there's an Avya is asking what you want us to draw. So you can just put on share the screen with the sketches, so it will be a reference for them.
तो अपना नहीं देने का क्या?
Kavya, we are asking you all to think about how design or layouts or spaces are going to change post-COVID considerations, that you need more social distancing in a space where it is that you are closer together and where you all need to maintain the distance, and how you can design that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You all have seen some visuals of how the international airport has been gearing up, or how the banks have been gearing up. I'm sure you all must have seen many WhatsApp messages on how there have been
guys,
demarcated
diagrams.
areas for people to queue up with a distance between the two people, even outside shops. You all have even experienced some measures by now, I'm sure. So what are your thoughts or your ideas of how you can achieve a good design with social distancing, either in a bank or in your college canteen?
College canteen. And the diagrams are here, and I've shared the link also with you all. Parul, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
There was another slide with many sketches.
Yeah.
I think the last one. That could probably give them more.
Yeah.
So it's not necessary that your sketches have to be like this. It can be anything at all. It could, as I had earlier said, it could just be some diagrammatic sketches of arrows and circles and just demarcating spaces with rectangles.
So guys, something like this also, like as you see, like these, I'm just going to zoom into one of these sketches for you. You know how you would have a meeting room space, how the space would be created. So how you maintain the social distancing in space.
Supriya, can you see the participants working?
No, the videos
No, the videos are still off.
are working. I can see some of them.
So shall we wrap up this first session in 2 minutes? All you guys would be ready in 2 minutes with some work?
More 5 minutes, miss.
You don't need to send it, Bhakti, is it? We can ask you to just show it to us on the camera, and later at the end of the session when we are giving you an assignment, we will be asking you to submit it on our online platform, arkinonline@gmail. So you can submit this sketch also along with it. Yes, Rishikesh, good. I hope you've done well. In the next 3 days, we want you to send the assignment also to us on arkinonline@gmail.com or PDF file. As Siddhant had said at the start of the session, we are also happy to announce that each of you will be receiving a participation certificate on this workshop, for this workshops, which is a series of 3 lectures.
I'm done.
Good, Rishikesh, can we see it?
Is it visible?
Hold it steady and a little away from the camera. For me, it's very hazy. Try getting it closer to the camera.
Can you do it with a black sketch pen or something? Then we all can see it. I can see Prathamesh's sketch very good. थोड़ा dark करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा.
Now it is not like that. You have your dashboard. You can go to access your space, get the knowledge, understand. So do a bit of exercise. So
Very good.
yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Can't log into the dashboard.
Yes, sir.
That's the problem we are facing. No. Now they are saying.
So what has been your idea?
Sir, this has been a cash counter
Okay.
with shields placed in.
Your screen sharing has come off, Amod.
So I keep putting this request once your mail came in.
Was it Amod or was it Prathamesh?
But then, they are also taking their own time to answer many times. The whole world is in a mess. Yeah. No, otherwise also, see, I would request.
Where voice is coming? Who's voice
Like the
coming?
once we send, they don't reply
Sir?
fast. Sometimes they reply very fast. So you have to have some time patience.
Please mute your mic.
So my
Guys, please mute. Someone is talking. Please mute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
And I'm also
I
trying
have completed it. I have made it dark now. Is it visible now?
It is.
So, sir, this is the cash counter. This is the entrance.
Okay.
We to get the food from the canteen, we go to the cash counter.
Mm-hmm.
And then go up this stairs. This is a small elevated platform.
Okay.
On the elevated platform, there are chairs and everything. On other side of the platform, there are bathrooms. One female, one male.
Okay.
And to get out, we get from the other side of the other stairs and we get down.
Okay. Can you darken it and label it? Do the labeling.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Guys, one easy thing could be all those who are doing it on the phone, just click a picture of it and share this.
Hello,
Share the
sir.
screen. Yes, Amod. Very good. Can we see Amod's sketch?
You
bigger?
can share on the screen also.
Yeah. Very good, Amod.
So this is a cash counter and shields are placed between it, so it can maintain a social distancing.
Okay. Very good. Who is
So
sharing?
I made this.
Ashna, yes.
So this
Very
is
good.
the counter where we'll get food. This is the canteen. So I've made the where you have to stand. So they are written there. Stand here, and the tables are apart.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you saw how Amod had done his sketch, right? So if you all can add some rendering and some things like that, that would be great. But good job. Standing here. Okay. Rachita?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So my sketch.
Nice. Good. You want to explain what your thing is?
So this is the cash counter, and the other side it's the another food counter which is separated by it, and the chairs and the tables are away, social distancing and all. And this is the glass doors on from the entering.
Hmm. Okay, go about it. And why round tables? Any particular reason?
Away from each other, so distancing.
Okay. Okay, who is this?
Mine.
Hello.
Yes, बोलिए.
I'm
ये किसने
labeled.
स्क्रीन शेयर किया?
Whose sketch are we seeing in the canteen? Please introduce yourself.
Why is there a snakes counter?
Hello.
Who is
Yes,
Galaxy
madam, what's your
A71?
name?
आपका प्लीज आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए. Guys, from next class, everyone's the name of Zoom should be their name, so that it becomes easy for all of us to convey and talk to you.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, this is my sketch of a canteen.
Very good. What's your name, King?
My name is Durvesh.
Okay.
In these shield are placed, and these are the social distancing box,
Okay.
where each one will stand at the specific corner and get the specific
Okay.
things.
Okay.
So that's
Okay,
all.
I've done the label.
Okay. Yes, please. ये किसका है? आप
This
ये.
is Shivani, I think.
Okay. Yes,
Yes,
Shivani.
ma'am.
Can you talk to us about it? You can
Yes,
take us
sir.
through.
Once we enter the canteen, there will be a wash basin and a sanitizer. And then we need to stand in a queue by taking some kind of distance between us. Then once we reach the canteen after ordering whatever we want, then we need to sit in an ovular table so that it can maintain more distance between two people. And there will be a mirror dividation so that we can see somewhere else which is sitting beside us.
Okay. And guys, if you just see her sketch, this is one very nice way of going about it. So you start with the entry point, you show the whole process of movement, and then you reach the main thing. So good work.
Thank you, sir.
Who is
I
going
have
next?
I have
Yes,
done
please.
the labels. I have
Ah,
done
yes, Rishikesh, we can see yours. Yeah, Rishikesh, tell us, talk to us. I can see your sketch.
This is the
Rishikesh.
this is the entrance.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear
Then
you.
we go from here to. Then we can go to the cash counter to get the food.
Yeah.
Then we go on the elevated platform where there are many chairs. I couldn't draw all. I made
Okay.
one. There are many chairs. On either side of the platform, there are bathrooms, one male, one female. Then
Yeah.
on the way out, there's a wash basin,
Yeah.
and then we go to stairs and exit.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Really inspiring to see all of y'all thinking beyond what y'all have been trained for. so far.
Shaunak wants to share screen.
Yes, please share.
Shaunak,
Guys, all those who want to share, we are more than happy. You can share it. Just put it on the chat that I would like to share the screen. So we all, like how Shaunak has done. You should all just put it up and we'll be happy to see one by one. Yeah, Shaunak, go ahead. Please share your screen.
Can you all see my screen?
See it now.
dark, black, nothing is there now.
Yes.
It's a very basic diagram of the bank.
Okay.
So as you enter, these are turnstiles. So you don't really have to depend on people's ability to stay in circles. As the queue moves forward, you move forward with the turnstile. So as the person in the front moves, the turnstile is moved, and you are told that you can move forward. And then as you get to the cash counter, there's no direct interaction with the cashier or anybody. They interact through speakers or maybe just some sort of amplification system. And there are gloves built into the box itself, so there's no chance of contamination when they're taking them off. And there's a sorting box between the cashier and the customer, which gets emptied right here. And the money that's deposited is sanitized, and sanitized money is provided for withdrawals. And then once a customer is done with their transaction, they move through a glass or plastic bordered corridor between two cash counters. So there's no real interaction between any of the customers.
Okay. Okay.
So Kavya also has shared with me a very interesting design and a layout.
Ma'am, will you share that?
I am trying to.
Somebody has shared it over here also. Okay.
Someone else.
I guess admin has shared some other picture also. There's also one.
Athar shared something now,
Atharva has shared.
but it has gone now.
No, it's gone off.
Athar,
Okay.
share it again.
Nice. So
Is
Atharva,
it
do you want to take
visible?
us? Yes, it is visible. Do you want to take us through it?
Yeah, well, I like to, like, when a person enters the canteen, he first of all has to sanitize his hand on the sanitizing corner.
Yes.
And from there, he has to stand in those circles which are marked on the ground
Yes.
to take his coupon. The sanitizing desk is must in each and every canteen because money is been transferred through hand and germs can be transported through it. And the tables are placed at a certified distance to maintain social distancing, but I haven't yet placed any shield or any kind of barricade, but I have maintained a kind of distance so that people can feel to talk. At the same time, they can be free from other person if he's infected from any kind of disease or virus.
Perfect. Brilliant. Okay, one more person and then we'll move to our final part. One more person's work. Can we see? Anybody else who wants to share? Aryan, do you want to share? Aryan Chavan?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to show it.
Sure.
So,
Okay, this is Kiara's work. Can you all see it?
The one that is being shared right now?
So this one is the design that I'm.
No, not this one.
Yes. 1 minute, Aryan. We'll wait for ma'am to finish the screen share and then. Oh, good, good. Kiara, you want to talk about this? Very well done. Very good
Yeah,
perspective.
okay. Sir, this is Tanesh.
So this is my
Sir,
design.
actually, in this design, we can keep the tables more closely, and you know, the protection, the acrylic sheets can also act as in protection.
Sure.
So that in a more complex space, more people can sit.
Sure.
So that's all.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ask for a screen. Screen.
Are we seeing this again? Okay. Aryan, can we see your drawing? Can Shalkala?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shalaka, can you stop your screen share?
So this is the design that I've drawn.
Okay.
Sir, can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
So this is a drawing design of a canteen. Like I have made the tables in an L-shape design. On
Okay.
entrance, there is, and then from that you have to come from this side and you go to the counter.
Okay.
And there are the protective glass on these.
Okay. Hello.
These tables, rectangular tables, and which would allow only. Yes, so that's it.
Okay. Great. So now that we see that one thing, yes, Varun. Anybody wants to go?
1 second, screen. I'm trying to share Kiara's work. So
Okay.
no one else, please share for now.
Sir, I have made a sketch.
Okay. Yeah.
This is Kiara's work. Kiara, please explain. Can you all see it?
Yep.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kiara. Hi.
Okay, so this is the entrance at the very bottom. There is
Okay.
so before ordering, you will use a sanitizer. You can
Okay.
move up. These are the counters. Even at the counters, there are sanitizers.
Yes.
So instead, how to space the people? I have used plants between the counters.
Okay.
So each person will stand next to a plant,
Okay.
and it will also work to space people properly.
Okay.
Then you can return. There are 4 people who can sit at each table. A rectangle suits that design the best.
Mm-hmm.
And the tables are placed diagonally with each other so that they can leave without much interference in their own way. There are
Okay.
windows, open windows on both sides, and while leaving, they can use the sink.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So good work
I-
all. Vedant, we can move on.
We can move on. Yes. Okay. Aryan, your screen is okay. Great. Great. Okay. So now that one thing that we see common in yes, the one thing that I see common in a lot of people saying is that a lot of y'all are looking at space planning, but y'all are even focusing on the element of the furniture that would come along with it, right? Because spaces otherwise without furniture are of no use. Like they would only be like just an empty area. Like there's nothing. But actually, when we say that we are space planning, technically we are furniture planning. We're planning what furniture would go where the table would be, where the counter would be, where the sofa would be, where the chair would be. In an office area, in banks, like some of you all have actually shown us that, you know, where the counters would be. So that counter needs to be very important. We need to know where what would be placed. So our final part, which will lead into your segment also of understanding the homework assignment, which would be, you will be designing a product or of a furniture piece. ideally the product would be a furniture piece, a furniture of social distancing. If you must be seeing, like I'll be showing pictures, some pictures now for reference and to talk about how you can think about that. I just want one big A4 size sketch of a piece of furniture that you can use for social distancing. Remember, that is going to be the new trend that will be out. So rather than just focusing as designers, rather than focusing on older concepts and ideas, it is important to go with the time. If you really want to be successful, you want to be out there as designers, that people can give you work immediately, you will have to start looking at thinking about things. What me or what Parul ma'am designed in our college, in our school, will no longer hold true. Like at least 80% of it won't hold true, right, Parul?
More than that. it was never holding true even when I passed out, Siddharth.
So every year, everything changes. Like nowadays, suddenly you will realize that, just giving you one example, right? When you look at space planning and design, rather than people having door, pull door, push door, we would suddenly have a door which would be sliding door, ताकि किसी को उसे touch नहीं करना पड़े, right? So those would be the kind of use of technology in the space, that how the technology becomes more, you would literally like 10, 12 years down the line, you would walk through malls and all, or office spaces, you would feel as if you're walking in a sci-fi space. If you thought like punch machines and doors opening up and all was sci-fi, you should see how other things have been. I'll be sharing two designs with you all to show you about how one is furniture design, and I'll also share another design for where in airplane industry, they are looking at space planning and how seats would be designed so that people have less interaction between each other. I'm going to share my screen again. Everyone's attention on the screen, please. Yes. Can you all see these?
Yes,
can you see these? Okay,
Yes,
perfect. Embrace social distancing with comforting product design. That's one of the recent thing. And this particular, if you all who are like budding designers want to get into the space of product design, yankodesign.com, this website is brilliant. It's a collective. It is an international collective now. You have a lot of Indian designers who have been writing for this. This particular piece is by Sarang Sheth, again a product designer from India. Very interesting compilations of what kind of furniture would trend. Like if you can see his name and everything is here, Sarang Sheth, and it's like 3/20/20. मतलब अभी लिखा हुआ है, just some time back when in March before. So look at the way even the design world is preparing for itself. Like we are talking about this right now. They were ready with this on the 20th March itself, that social distancing is going to be the new thing. So as designers, that is one of the biggest thing that you should have in you, is to understand कि क्या trend में चलने वाला है. So look at these furniture pieces, you know, they cover you also, but they are open also. They are like pod. So the pod like furniture would become something that is very important. Suddenly in office spaces, you would see areas which are easy to clean, easy to cocoon you, to keep you in one space. And you could then have multiples of this. You could create a set of it where it could be for one, it could be for two, and it could be multiple seaters as well. Always remember what I said previously, that as trendsetters, you need to think about it. When Game of Thrones came, like I'm sure some of you all must have watched Game of Thrones. जब भी Game of Thrones आया, तभी across the globe there were people thinking that this is going to be the next big thing. And it did be the next big thing. And then there were people who had Game of Thrones themed restaurants, cafes. And it became a big thing. Like it became a big thing across the world. Like people started going there, and designers were asked to create Game of Thrones like inspired spaces in that. How plants would become an important element in the space. So rather than dividing, there was somebody who said that, right, while showing us that I didn't want to divide people with screens, but I wanted to divide people with plants, which was a brilliant idea, right? So that is something that designers are already thinking, that how plants would become our space dividers. So these are all different types of products. You can select any one of this in Sketch, you know. So just an example, rather than having something like this where you need to divide people, or you could have plants over here. which would allow people to at least have that visual connectivity with each other. And that is why the first sketch of the product that was shown to you was that even though desks are putting people away, you are asked to be like more visually connected with each other. Yes, Kiara, exactly. Plans was what you had shown us. Great. So even like in one person seating, you know, that benches would be completely different now. It would be like more of a cocooned thing. Like this could be your first class flight also now. Like first class, if you fly, you would be covered from all 3-4 sides, and this is how you would be seating, so that you are in that one space, but nobody is facing each other and maintaining social distancing. So when you show your furniture, all those maybe who are in the second year or who've been with Arkin for more than 1 year or so, and you know how to show a plan diagram view, please show your object in a plan view also, in a top view, to show us how this particular one object can be placed in multiple ways to create different types of space planning. That is why the first thing you all did, like now imagine if you know how these furnitures can be placed, you could use it in the space planning that you showed, right? That's the larger idea. Even things like these to cover yourself while you're working. So rather than having permanent shields, there would be a time when you would have, you would soon start seeing people carrying their own shields with them. Foldable, exactly. Jisne bola, perfect bola. The whole foldable idea, the whole foldable furniture idea would be something that would be panning throughout. If not foldable, to protect your face, right? Because face is one susceptible place, the most susceptible place for the virus to enter your body. So how do you protect at least that part of your face? Because wearing masks throughout the day could become discomforting. It becomes also, it is not very hygienic because you're constantly breathing your carbon dioxide through. So how things would have to then create protection. So you could think of, when I say furniture, you could think of furniture there where you could yourself also get into. Iske andar aap ja sakte ho. That could be one of the way of looking at it. That could be your pod, your idea of thinking or working. Or something like this, जो chair जैसा ही है, but उसके ऊपर एक cover आ जाएगा. And then you can just cover it, you can bring it. You know, like those auto rickshaws where you can bring the cover up, you can just, you will create a thing that covers, it becomes a helmet for you.
Yeah.
So you will have to now start looking at design options, and you will have to look for inspirations in a lot of different places. How can I think of it? One very interesting, if I was you and if I was given this thing of looking at a furniture that people could take along with them, I would look at the way a tortoise works, right? A turtle or a tortoise, they all move around with the shell, and whenever there is a need, they get inside the shell. So can I have a shell around me that I can protect myself with? So you will have to look in that larger idea, that larger scope of understanding, like even when you're working and reading. So visual connectivity is maintained, but the barriers are such that it allows yahan se on one side and this one is from the other side. So smaller foldable laptop using table. So all these tiny barriers would come up, the foldable areas, like which would then automatically become part of your laptop cover, laptop case. Or you wear this complete case for your own self. So I'm going to give, I don't want to give you all a lot of ideas, otherwise then it will be a copy paste of things. But do look up this website. It's called yankodesign.com. They do brilliant product design because their only focus is product design in anything, in technology, in architecture, various different things, but just focusing on the concept of design and product design. So
Siddhant, I hope you are following this site thoroughly, because I don't want them to give us first copies from that design.
Yes. I know. So guys, Sarang is a very close friend of mine, and I have been following Yanko design. So agar aapka copy paste Yanko se hoga, so I will know this, because I genuinely follow his website, and also I am very much aware. So my sentence was going to be that only, that if you give us a cut copy paste from there, take inspiration. We're not saying no for inspiration, but don't copy paste it. Okay? Understand the idea that if it's a cocoon idea, how do you take the idea of a cocoon and represent it in multiple different ways?
Yeah, it can be a cocoon, it can be anything. Like,
yes.
Just the other day I saw a WhatsApp video where they had designed the handle of a door differently. It was instead of where you use your hand, you use your feet to enter the door. I guess some of y'all also must have seen that. It's like a handle designed at the bottom of the door. You operate it with your foot. You don't use your hand because that is how you tend to, spread the germs or become carriers or get the infection. So any smallest idea also is good enough,
Yes.
but it should be more pertinent and more relevant, and we should see that it is their thought process which has gone into it.
Yes, don't give us a copy paste idea, guys, because we have been seeing that happening in a lot of different places. We all get to see different things. आपका आइडिया ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अरे यार ये कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिया. Don't do that. Take that opportunity of understanding, how you can actually learn from something. I'm just going to show you one more video.
Yes, Janvi, it can be anything at all. It can be a furniture. It can be, as I said, it could be a door. It could.
So it is a design. It is a design. It's a product design that allows social distancing. That is something that is very, very important for you all to bear in mind. I'm just going to share this one video with all of you. So if you see here, like you see how that thing has a central dividing factor. It is a plug-in for the existing flight carriers. So that all you do is just उसको आपको बिठा देना existing seats पे.
They are recycling means old seats are only made with it.
Yes, the old seats are made with this, so they don't have to use. So if you see over here, what they're doing is they're going to have that air downstreaming air flow on every passenger. So that अगर आप sneeze भी करते हो तो वो हवा के pressure से नीचे जाए, and then that they have these two the headrest protectors which are there with cushions so that you don't get affected by it, and the screen allows for the social distancing. So another norm that has been passed in the flight industry, in the travel industry, is that the middle seats will have to be empty. Now, since the middle seats are empty, how can you use that seat as a protection device? So that is what these students had worked upon. So there are various such ideas that are out there. Don't copy paste because बहुत लोग अलग सब कुछ try कर रहे हैं. But only reason of showing you all is that how do you look at there would be some. So say for example you already have an existing furniture piece, right? 3-piece sofa seat. What can you do to it? One simple way could be that you remove the middle seat, right? Uska seat ka part nikal do, to automatically it becomes a social distancing furniture. Correct? Or if you all can see, I'm just going to sketch it out over here for you. So if this is the thing, if this is your furniture, right? If you have these 3 spaces here, it's a 3 seats. If it's a 3-seater furniture, what could you do to make it so that it becomes a furniture for for social distancing?
Make it 2-seat.
Exactly. उसको 2-seater कर सकते हो ताकि ये साइड से इसका बैक रेस्ट ये साइड पे हो, बाकी दोनों का बैक रेस्ट ये साइड पे हो.
Yeah.
And if you still want to maintain social distancing, you can start working on the heights of these. It could be like that the person sitting here, the person who's sitting over here is not affected by any one of those. So how it could be simple things, but you have to do your application of mind. Guys, किसी के घर पे टीवी चालू है, प्लीज बंद करेंगे आपका ऑडियो. Thank you. So how do you show that? I'm just going to color it so that you get an idea of where the back is.
Please mute your audio.
Please guys, mute your audio. that is what would become your seaters, right? So how it can protect you, it becomes your backrest, or you can play with the side rest also, the arm where you keep your arms, you can play with the heights of that. So automatically you get multiple areas to play with. So take basic furniture. अगर आप आपके school bench लेना चाहते हो, any particular space that now in school benches, is it safe to keep two kids together or change the way school bench would be?
So there are almost bench shields put on, and
Exactly. तो अभी तो उसको कैसे करना चाहिए? तो those would be the idea. So bench shield आते हैं, आप जो seats पे shields आती है वैसे होगा. The airplanes जैसे आपने
head sheets are also there for students.
yes. So you will have to design now a piece of furniture or a product that allows for social distancing. Okay. One on one A4, please sketch it out properly. Guys, please label your drawings. आपका जो भी आप drawing बनाते हो उसको label करना ताकि हमको मालूम पड़े. ऐसे कियारा का हमने जब भी देखा, so we could understand what she had done because her drawings had labeling on it. So all those who have labeled, it becomes easier for us also to understand what you all are doing, and ma'am will be putting in the chat over here. She will be putting the email ID once again so that everybody can see it. It can be any style, Rishikesh. It could be modern, it could be futuristic also. So आपके ऊपर है आपको कैसे design करना है. Completely your call. It's your baby. And sir, could be any furniture, or it could be any furniture, not only chairs or tables. It could be anything. It could even be, you can even look at how the ATMs would work if you want to get into that level of details. तो आप देख सकते हो कि ATM को भी आपको touch करना पड़ता है. तो what kind of product can you create so that the ATMs become a safer space? Yes? Anyone? Any questions? So I hope, ma'am, Parul, do you want to put the email ID on the group?
I put it on the chat.
On the chat once again so that they all.
Okay, it's gone for a private.
So guys, ma'am is putting up the email ID. Please share your drawing before the next class so that we can see your work. And if anybody wants to, showcase things, you can always just put up in the chat saying that I would like to show something interesting. I had seen this. From the next class onwards, we'll keep it more interactive that, what have you seen? आप लोगों ने क्या कुछ देखा है? What was a new thing that you saw while you all were researching, or if you were coming across something? Yes? Anybody has any questions,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts, anybody wants to ask?
So how can we get your concern on our sketches?
How?
Can we get concern for our sketches means guidelines?
मेरे को नहीं समझा. Amod, what are you asking?
Hello.
How to get your feedback is what they are
Yeah,
asking.
guidelines for sketches.
आपने एक बार जो आप भेजोगे इसके ऊपर ऑनलाइन पे, I will be checking the emails. I'll go through it, and जहाँ जहाँ पे मुझे लगेगा कि कुछ है, I will definitely let you all know.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Amod, are you in Bombay branch?
No, I'm in Ahmednagar branch.
Another branch. Okay. So once you'll share it on this arkinonline@gmail.com, then I will go through it, and I'll also leave feedback on the sketches, what you all have done, what you should do. And next class also, when we meet, I'll spend some time, at least 15 minutes, talking about various different pictures and all that people have worked on, and giving my comments on that कि क्या change कर सकते थे, किसका अच्छा है, क्या हो सकता है. I will do that. I'll give all the feedback on that.
Yes, sir.
The deadline is for this coming Monday or Tuesday latest, Rishikesh and everyone else. Because Wednesday we are having another workshop, which will be about, we will let you know about it. So before that, we would like your submissions to be done of this particular workshop.
Anybody, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So guys,
Thank
please
you, sir.
finish it. Thank you.
So thank you for attending, and it was nice having all of you all here. It was really good to see some of you all come up with really good work. It's encouraging for us,
Yes.
inspiring for you. I hope we've been inspiring for you. We'll sign out for today, and we'll come back next Saturday with the second. Please submit your works as mentioned by sir before Tuesday, this coming Tuesday.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Stay home, stay safe, enjoy your work,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
increase your
Thank you, ma'am.
creativity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.